gonna dump this.
So we have
Look, he's sliding down. That's great. Hey, gotta get that on video next time he does that.
Mia, Grace, Gus, Luna, Zoltan. Oh, and I forgot Sophie. There's Sophie. Hi, Sophie.
Make a pile over there near that entrance.
Sam, Zoltan,
Yeah, that's good.
Diego, and Juan. All working very hard to create this incredible
Well, you can't use that door.
Warren.
You'll have to use this one next, okay?
What are you going to do with that door?
Let's go. Just leave it right there. You can dump it up there.
You closing it up?
It's going to continue past that. Oh, watch Sam when he goes down. On this.
Okay. Hi, Diego. Diego, what are we doing here?
Go.
Building igloo.
Yeah.